So after D'Alembert's ratio test, most important theorem, so Rabi's test, so that is also called as higher ratio test. So this is also a very important theorem. So statement, if summation of un is a series of positive terms such that limit of n into un by un plus 1 minus of 1 as n tends to infinity equals to L, such that if L is greater than 1, then the series is convergent. If L is less than 1, then the series is divergent. For L equals to 1, the test fails. Okay. One 10 marks sub question definitely asked example in related to Rabi's tests. That is, after failure of D'Alembert's ratio test, we have to apply the Rabi's test, and also theorem is also important for 5 marks question. So let us compare this given series summation of un with an auxiliary series. Auxiliary series means, so that is p series test. Okay, what is that? Summation of un equals to summation of 1 divided by n to the power of p. This series, that is p series, converges for greater than p is greater than 1, it is convergent, and less than or equals to 1, it is divergent. Vn divided by Vn plus 1, if you consider Vn means 1 divided by n to the power of p, in place of n it is n plus 1 means 1 divided by n plus 1 to the power of p. So if you multiply numerator and denominator, so that is n plus 1 divided by n to the power of p, so that is equals to 1 plus of 1 divided n by n means, so that is 1 plus 1 by n to the power of p. So here we are applying the binomial expansion. This is of the form x plus a to the power of n. So that is equals to x raised to n, 1 raised to n 1 plus of nc1. So that is nc1 into x raised to n minus of 1. See, that is 1 raised to 1 minus 1 means 1 only. That is a, that is 1 divided by p, nc1. So that is p itself, p divided by n, plus of nc2, that is p into p minus of 1 divided by 2 factorial into x raised to n minus 2, so that is 1 raised to n minus of 2, a square means 1 divided by n square, plus so on. So like this we are applying the binomial expansion, and we are considering the term vn divided by vn plus 1. Case 1 is, we have to consider L is greater than 1. We have to prove that summation of un is convergent. Choose the number p such that L should be greater than 1, or L is, here we are considering p, L is greater than or equals to p, which is greater than 1. Summation of un is convergent. By comparison test, summation of vn is convergent means summation of un is also convergent. There exists a natural number m such that for every n is greater than or equals to m. For convergent, you have to consider, that is L, that is un divided by un plus 1 is greater than or equals to vn divided by vn plus 1 for convergent. For divergent, you have to consider, that is reverse order, that is v, which is less than or equals to vn. Vn divided by Vn plus 1. So whatever that value after expansion of this binomial expansion, we get that series we have to substitute in place of Vn divided by Vn plus 1. This minus 1 take on LHS. So remaining term you have to write as it is. So that is in the denominator n is common factor throughout the series, n square, n cube, n raised to 4. That n you have to take on LHS for in the numerator. So it becomes that is 1, and here n square becomes n cube becomes n square, like that. Apply limit as n tends to infinity, because limit of n into un, here limit of n into un by un plus 1 as n tends to infinity, minus of 1 we have to consider, so that is L. So that is limit of n into un by un plus 1 minus of 1 as n tends to infinity, which is greater than or equals to. If you apply limit to this series, what happens? As n tends to infinity, 1 by infinity, this series becomes 0, and next term is 1 by n square, so that is also 0. Further terms are 0 except the p. Therefore, and this is L in the statement itself given, so this is equals to L. Okay, therefore L is greater than or equals to p, and p we are considering as greater than 1 if L is greater than 1. Okay, therefore summation of un is convergent for L is greater than 1. Okay, according to that p series test, so that is convergent for L is greater than 1. Okay, therefore here we have considered that L is greater than 1, and we have proved that summation of un is convergent. Okay, therefore we have written summation of un is convergent for L is greater than. Similarly, in case 2, choose the number p such that L is less than or equals to p, that is less than 1. Vn is divergent. Okay, therefore by comparison test this series summation of un is divergent. There exists a natural number m such that for divergence un divided by un plus 1 which is less than or equals to vn divided by vn plus 1, and consider that vn divided by un plus 1, so already given by binomial exponential series, whatever that series is that you have to write down. Take this one on LHS, un divided by un plus 1 minus 1 n into, if you multiply that n so throughout the series, so it cancels, or take that n on numerator of the LHS. Okay, therefore apply limit as n tends to infinity, this entire series becomes 0. 1 by infinity becomes 0 except that term p, therefore it remains p, and this is considered as L. Given L is less than or equals to p, that p should be less than 1, p is less than 1, therefore which is p, according to p series test, that summation of un is divergent. Okay, so we have considered that L is less than 1. Okay, therefore for L is less than 1, this series is divergent, and for equals to 1, so not necessary to write anything, so the test fails for convergent and it may convergent or divergent, the test fails to for L equals to 1. Okay.